Once the yarn has completed its long transformation, it enters the circular knitting floor, a space alive with motion, rhythm, and precision. Here, towering circular knitting machines stand like silent giants, each one engineered to turn delicate threads into continuous rolls of fabric. The journey begins at the creel, where dozens, sometimes hundreds, of yarn cones are carefully arranged. Each strand is fed upward, guided through tensioners and sensors that monitor every movement. The yarn must remain perfectly smooth, perfectly balanced. Any disturbance can affect the final fabric. As the machine starts to rotate, thousands of fine steel needles rise and fall in perfect harmony. These needles catch the yarn, loop after loop, forming interconnected circles that build the fabric layer by layer. This is where structure is born, where the softness of cotton becomes the flexibility we know in t-shirts, rib knits, jerseys, and countless everyday garments. Inside the machine, cams and feeders work with mechanical precision, controlling loop length, stitch density, and surface texture. Whether the fabric needs to be lightweight and airy or dense and strong, every adjustment happens here, crafted to exact specifications. As the machine weaves its continuous dance, the newborn fabric is gently drawn downward. It grows into a long, tubular roll known as grage fabric, untouched, unprocessed, carrying the raw beauty of the yarn from which it was formed. Quality checks happen in real time. Sensors detect yarn breaks, oil stains, dropped stitches, or needle damage. If even a single needle misbehaves, the machine stops instantly to preserve consistency. Finally, the knitted tube flows out from the machine and is collected in large rolls or baskets, ready for inspection and the next stage of finishing. From the synchronized movement of steel needles to the endless flow of soft cotton, this is the art of circular knitting, where yarn becomes fabric and the story of textiles takes its next breath.